Many people use the word join incorrectly, and the word that they really want to use is attend. Join is only about the beginning, the first time. For example, I joined this school 2 years ago. The first time I came here was 2 years ago. Then when you go, again, you actually use attend. I have been attending this school for 2 years. I have been going to the classes at this school for 2 years. I attend class 3 days per week, not join class. You only use join for the first time. But when you're talking about actually going and sitting in the class and studying and learning, we say attend. I attend class 2 days per week. I have been attending this class for 2 years. Really? When did you join? I joined 2 years ago. Why did you join? I joined because I want to improve my English. If you want to invite someone to a meeting, you can use join or you can use attend, but the grammar is a little bit different. You could say, we are having a meeting on October 15th, and I would like you to join us. We are going, and I want you to come with. Attend, no us, attend the meeting. We are having a meeting on October 15th, and I would like you to attend. Or, I would like you to attend it. With an invitation, you have two options. You can use join or you can use attend. But when you're talking about how often you go to something, or something that you do regularly, again and again and again, we don't use join, we use attend. I am attending training 2 days per week. Can you attend my wedding? Yes, I would love to attend. But when we talk about the beginning of something, again, we use join. I joined this page 3 months ago. Means I became a member. Or if you see a class and you knock on the door, knock, 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 say, hello, may I join you? Because they already started, you want to enter for the first time. Hello, may I join you? Is it okay if I come in here with you? In that situation, you can use join. May I join you means you are already doing something. Can I start to do it with you? But you do not say, I have joined English class for 5 years. You do not say, I have joined English class for 3 weeks. You say, I have attended English class for 2 years. I attend English class every week.